So yun, good day everyone. I am Dave Mercadlawan from BSI TNS 3A. So our topic is number system. So ano nga ba ito? So gaaralan natin siya since yung nakasanayan nating is 'di ba nagka-count tayo 1 to 10 hanggang 11, 12, 13. Ang ano nun is ayun yung pinaka-understandable ng tao. So may iba-iba pa pala na number system, hindi lang yung decimal na ginagamit natin sa pang-araw-araw. So, a number system is a writing system for expressing numbers. So, yon. It's a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set. Using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner, the most common number system are decimal, yung base 10. Kaya nagka-count tayo from 1 to 10, 'di ba? Parang nadodoble na lang. Pwede na sabihin 0 to 9 lang yung nagiging basehan natin. Binary, base 2, 0 and 1 lang siya. Octal, base 8, 0 to 7. And hexadecimal, 0 to 15. Kaya sinasabing sige, itatakal natin yan maya-maya isa-isa. So, ito kung nakikita nyo sa picture is meron tayong decimal number system. Yan, numbers with, ayan, binary, then octal, hexadecimal. So, ayan yung pinaka-common, especially sa mga computers. Yan, commonly used or madalas ginagamit. So, binary. The binary system is the fundamental to computers. So, yun nga, kasi naiintindihan lang ng computers is 1 and 0 lamang. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng mga programming language. Yung kinocode natin is hindi lang yun. So, i-convert niya pa into binary para naman yung instruction na binibigay mo is magawa ng computer. Kasi nga, ayun lang yung naiintindihan niya. This base 2 system is the language of computers, as all digital data is ultimately stored and processed in binary. Here's an example of a binary representation, yung 1, 0, 1, yan. Ito may nako-convert siya through different type of number system. So, yun, sabihin natin, ito, kapag 1 lang, yun, 1 talaga siya. Yan, may corresponding value kapag sa decimal. Yan, the octal system base 8 naman siya, uses digits 0 to 7, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Although less common in modern computing, octal was historically used in early computer systems. Converting from binary to octal is straightforward, as each octal corresponds to group of 3 binary digits. So yun, sinasabi dito na yun, kapag combination of 3 binary digits is corresponding, yun, kumbaga nag-equate siya dun sa octal. Yun. So, hindi ito madalas nga gamit. Totoo nga naman, hindi tayo pero sinabi naman dito na ginamit nga siya para sa mga computer in the yung mga pinakauna pa ng yung hindi pa gaanong usbong yung computer systems. So, sa decimal naman, sa decimal system base 10 is ito na yung ginagamit ng tao. Ito yung ginagamit natin sa pagbibilang, yan. Is the familiar number system used in everyday life, yun. In information technology, decimal is often used for human readable representations of data. Converting between binary and decimal is essential for interpreting data in a format more easily understood by humans. So, yun. Yung tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, may corresponding value yung every ito, may corresponding value to sa decimal. So, yun. Sabihin natin ito, kapag isa lang 1, 1 lang siya. Kapag 1 and 0, 2 yun. Yan, 1, 1, tapos 0, 1 and 0, 2. 1 and 1, 3. Ano pa, hindi ko pa siya masyadong kabisado since yun nga. Pero meron namang online mga calculations na ano. So sa hexadecimal, ito medyo may ano siya, may halong letters. The hexadecimal system base 16 is widely used in computing due to its convenience in representing binary coded values. Hexadecimal uses the digits 0 to 9, yun, galing sa decimal, and the letters A to F where A represents 10, B is 11, and so on. C, 12, E, A, B, C, D, D, 13, sabay 14, E, F, 15. Yan. It is commonly used in programming and debugging. So, yon. Application and conversion. Number system is writing system for expressing numbers. It's a mathematical notation for representing number of given set using digits. Yan. Mag-explore naman tayo ng mga demonstration na relevance of number systems. Consider an IP address. Yun, IP address, a core component of internet communication. IPv4 addresses are often represented in dotted decimal format, where each octet is separated by dot. The binary representation of an IPv4 address is essential for networking professionals. So, yon yung ito yung ano, yung IP address, IPv4 address na sinasabi dito. Ito yung mga specific addresses ng mga kumbaga sa bahay, yung kung ano yung address ng bahay mo. Yan, sabi na block 94.4, yan. Ayun yung address mo. So, sa computer naman, meron din silang mga address. Kaya sila nakakapag-interact or nakakapagpalitan ng data. So, halimbawa, si computer 1, gusto niya mag-send ng data sa computer 2. So, paano niya malalaman yun? Paano kung may kapareha sila? Si computer 2, may computer 2 pang isa. Malalaman nila through IP addresses. Kasi iba-iba yan. Iba-iba. Yung commonly na nakikita natin, di ba, pag nag-type tayo sa browser na 192.168.1.1, ayun yung address naman or default gateway. Yan. Example lang yun sa IPv4 address. So, yun lang para sa number systems. Thank you for listening.